Good morning, guys. More like afternoon, really. I ended up sleeping for 4 hours or so, and for the rest of the time I've just been sunning. I mean, I guess I was sunning too when I was sleeping. I was just lying here naked. It's so great. The weather is amazing, the sun is intense. Alright guys, I'm properly awake now. I hung out with my mom and my little sister on the phone, video call, just talking for like an hour and a half. It was very nice. I pooped on the beach a couple of times. Well, not exactly on the beach, but down there. It's so nice, it's so easy to clean yourself. I do have soap as well, don't worry guys. I'm gonna head off now. I'm just charging my phone. I got everything packed down more or less. Just gotta get my equipment on. And yeah, head back to Sügeltuten. See if Anas and Bogdan are ready to go camping today. Sorry about not filming a lot yesterday, hanging out with those guys. It's just I haven't seen them in a while. Seemed kind of unnatural to pull out a phone. I didn't even think about it, you know? But here we go. Let's pack down. Alright guys, I left the place in a good condition. No garbage. Just a bit of downtrodden grass and weeds. Let's get out of here now. I'm gonna have to put my phone down to go through this. Oh, and this. It's so hot. Let's get moving. Driving around listening to the parcels. If you've never checked out the parcels before, you need to, man. They're so groovy. I'm really liking them. I'm just discovering them right now. Just grooving and listening to this stuff. It's so refreshing. Riding, cooling down. Me and Bogdan and Anas, everyone else, we're leaving Sügeltuten. We're going to do some mini golfing. And I was invited to join. Let's go. Bogdan's holding on to my pants for me. I'm gonna switch out of these jeans when I get there. Welcome to a very rare no helmet cam. I always ride with my helmet, but the weather is so nice and they're going so slow. I think I'm gonna be fine. I brought my hero clip to hook my helmet to my my side here. So I got it with me. Oh, I think someone just joined us. Yeah, looks like it. Bogdan on his fast bike. All the fast guys are holding back, we're staying in the rear. Kom nå, du kan godt. Du skal ikke have 8 igen, kom så. Oh. We're doing terribly. But we're having a good time. What a nice day it's been. Everyone's leaving there on the bikes. And here come the Ukrainian guys. Let's go. He just made food for us. We're gonna go eat some wraps.
Was a good shot. You take a good shot. Daar gaan we nu nog. Dat doen we nu nog. Is goed.
Look at that.
Just me and my boat in the sun. Sundowns. I have sundowns. It's a special form of a Down syndrome. We have the up syndrome.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh, I'm so tired.